Welcome to this complete walkthrough of Atlas, Autonomous Twin and Live Adaptive Safety Intelligence, developed for the ET India Hackathon under the problem statement of AI-powered industrial safety intelligence for zero harm operations. Before entering the platform, security and seamless access are paramount in any industrial setup. Atlas integrates single sign-in authentication, here managed via Google, ensuring zero password handling on our end while giving authorized plant operators secure immediate access to critical plant telemetry. Let's log in and enter the control system. Once authenticated, we land on the main overview screen, the primary command post for plant operators. Up top, you can quickly verify the overall system health is nominal. High-level metrics give us immediate situational awareness. Plant health and safety scores are currently at 100%, while operational efficiency is calculated at 92% based on the current power draw. Atlas also tracks personnel on site, showing 8 active workers on shift along with active permits and risks indicator updated live every 2 seconds. Where Atlas truly excels is the handling dynamic risk through live simulation. Let's see what happens when an anomaly occurs by clicking Trigger Pump 17 scenario. As stress parameters stream to pump 17 are flagged weakest asset, the system instantly catches the disturbance. Look at the recent alerts. The anomaly is logged immediately with time-stamped severity levels. Simultaneously, AI recommendations provide actionable mitigation steps, guiding operators to inspect the asset or initiate automated throttling before minor faults escalate into major hazards. Beyond the primary overview, Atlas provides specialized modules accessible right from the navigation sidebar. Digital Twin provides a visual spatial mapping of physical plant assets for rapid location targeting. Predictive Engine uses predictive algorithms to forecast components, wear and failure probability long before the breakdowns can occur. AI Council runs multi-model reasoning to cross-reference sensor telemetry against safety protocols for weighted risk scoring. Emergency Response enables fast workflow execution, including one-click site evacuation and automated responder notification. Knowledge Center offers a centralized, searchable repository for SOPs, standard of compliance, and historical incident logs. Once the simulated risk is addressed or a training drill is finished, reset brings all telemetry streams back to nominal baseline levels, clearing active alerts and restoring scores across the plant. By combining secure access, live IoT telemetry, and proactive AI reasoning, Atlas transforms complex industrial data into clear, actionable safety intelligence, protecting both infrastructure and personnel. Thank you for watching, and feel free to test the interactive simulation controls yourself.